Hello and welcome. This is Chichi Barnabas. You are welcome to my channel. This is the channel that teaches you everything, all the tools and the tricks that you need to become a successful self-published author. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can create a hardcover book cover for your books. And by that, I am assuming that you've already created your interior. You have all of that set. All you need right now is to create your book cover for your hardcover interior. So without wasting time, we're going to dive right in and I will show you what you need to do. First, you need to locate the Amazon cover calculator. That is what is going to help you to know the dimensions that you are going to be using to create your book cover using Canva. Here we are on the Amazon cover calculator. So all you need to do right here is to select hardcover in this binding type. If you have watched my video before, we've done one on paperback, but this is for hardcover. So we'll go for hardcover and then you will select black and white. Of course, you can choose if you are using premium, and then you can go with the white paper, which is okay. And then you can go, the direction is from left to right. Click that and then you will go to measurement. Please put it in inches. It's going to be easier for you like that. And then of course, here's the trim size. Now depending on what kind of hardcover you are creating, then you can choose the trim size here. But for our book, we want to assume that it's an 8 by 5, 8.25 by 11. So that is what we're choosing there. And then based on what your interior is made of, you know how many pages your interior contains. And for our book, we are assuming that our interior has 100 pages. So I am going to be typing 100 page right there, and then I will click on calculate dimensions, and lo, it has now opened. Two things you need to bear in mind right here is, first of all, you are going to be downloading the cover template, because you need to upload this cover template into Canva in order to determine if you have placed your or created your book cover using the right dimensions and your text is not cutting out of the main area that it needs to be. And the second thing you need to look at also is the full cover measurement. This is the cover measurement that we are going to be taking into Canva in order to create our cover. So first thing, download the template, you upload it to Canva. Second thing, you are going to copy these dimensions and then you will use them in your Canva. So I'm writing down the dimensions so I can use them once I get to Canva. 18.489 by 12.417. So now once you get your dimensions down and you have downloaded your cover templates, which I have downloaded mine already, you will now go and open your Canva. And what Canva has displayed, what you need to do next is to head over here and click on create design. And then you'll come down here and click on custom size. So make sure you change your size right here to inches. Make sure you change it right here to inches, and then you will go ahead and impute the dimensions that you have gotten based on your book interior and other things that you saw us do over there. So 18.89 by 12.417, and then you will hit on create a new design. Now that Canva has fully loaded, what you need to do first of all is you are going to unzip the file that you downloaded while you were getting the size for your book using the cover calculator of KDP. You are going to unzip that. So I have done that already, so I'm just going to go ahead to the uploads and then I will upload that cover template so it can be a guide for me. Alright, so here's our case. I am going to be uploading it to Canva right now so it can guide us on our cover creation. All right, so the case has been uploaded. Now the next thing we need to do is, now I am not going to be creating this cover from scratch because I have already created the cover before. And if you want to know how or see how I did that step by step, I am going to be leaving a link in the top left here, so you can just click on that link and watch the entire process of creating the cover from scratch. I did that while I was creating the paperback cover. So right now, here's the cover that I created. And of course, in that video, I also advise that it is best to create your covers as ebook first before you can change them to paperback, and then from there change them into hardcover. When you create it like this, okay, like this, our front cover, and then this is our back cover. And of course, you can see all that I went through, all the processes that I went through creating that, all of that are there. If you watch that video, you will see all the steps that I followed to achieve this. So when I did this and I had my front cover created and my back cover created, the next thing I did was simply to download each of these individually and upload them to Canva. Now, when I did that, I was now able to create my paperback using just the front and back cover that I created, and you can see it right here. And of course, it is the same method that we're going to be using to create our paperback. So it makes it easy when you create your ebook first. So you do the ebook, the front cover, and then you also do the back cover separately. And once you download and re-upload all of that to Canva, it becomes very easy to create your paperback as well as your hardcover. So using all of that, I was able to, now you can see that I uploaded them right here, and I was able to use them to create my paperback cover. And with that same process, I am also going to be creating our hardcover. So watch me as I do that right now. So now once you have that re-uploaded, the next thing you need to do is to now add your cover over there, and then you can begin to customize it. So watch me as I customize it right now. And boom, that's it. So you can see that we now have our hardcover set. Now all these yellow edges, most of them are going to go on the folding inside the cover. So once you have all of this set, and you see it was just very straightforward, you can see that we can place our template over it right now, and then you will see how it is going to look like when we upload it. So you can see that we're going to use a transparency and take it down a bit, so you can see that this is the way our cover is going to look. And the yellow foldings are over here, as you can see, and all all this other side outside here are going to be folded right inside, and that is cool. So you can see that is it. So our cover is right now set. We're going to delete this off, and then once you have this completed, what you need to do next is just to come over here and click on the share, and it will give us the option to be able to download. And here is a download. And remember that for your paperback and hardcover, you are going to be uploading a PDF. So we are going to be downloading this in PDF, and we'll go for the best quality of PDF. And remember that what you need to do here, which is very important, is to click on flatten PDF. This is going to flatten everything and make everything come together so that you don't have issues uploading. And of course, you can click over here and download this as CMYK, which is the best for printing. So of course, some other people suggest that you can leave it at the RGB, which is still okay, but of course you can always download it as CMYK. So I'm going to leave it as CMYK, and I will just click on download. And once it downloads, we are good to go and ready to upload our cover as a hard cover. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, please like this video, share and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying around to watch our videos and watch our content. Please share this video until it gets to the person that needs it in order to be able to create their hard cover. Thank you for staying with me to the end of the video, and until then, see you in our next video. Bye bye for now.